Hi everyone, my name is Kassandra Larose, and today I will show you how to use a website that can be very helpful if, just like me, English is not your first language. I'm going to start by talking about me a little bit. I am a student in paralegal technology at UNSIC College in Montreal, and right now I'm doing my fourth semester. What do we do in paralegal technology? Well, first of all, we learn how to use many websites to be able to do a search about a specific subject. We learn how to properly read a law, for example, the Civil Code of Quebec or the Criminal Code. We also learn how to write an act and a legal procedure. With a paralegal technology diploma, you will be able to assist a legal professional such as a lawyer or a notary. Working in the legal world brings you to communicate with people. What I mean by communicate is that you will have to speak or send emails to clients and co-workers. So there is a high chance that at some point you will have to use English. That's why the virtual writing tutor might help you a lot in your career. Start by opening a new tab, and in the address bar, enter the URL, which is virtual writing tutor.com, and then press enter. This page should appear. In the top left corner of the screen, you have the logo, which is Virtual Writing Tutor. In the top right corner of the screen, you have icons that you can use if you want to share the website on your social media. You will also have the navigation menu right here. In the middle of the screen, you have the text area, which is where you enter your text. In the bottom right corner of the text area, you have a speaker. If you click on it, you can hear how to pronounce what is right in the text area. That way, you can learn how to pronounce difficult words. If I change this right here and this, and then click on check grammar at the top of the text area, I will see how many words I have, how many paragraphs I have, and I will also see my mistakes. The virtual writing tutor will give you suggestions to correct your mistake. That way, your text will have less error. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.